All right, so the next couple things that we'll go over with Egypt is about mummification. Now, mummification had a lot to do with the Egyptians' belief in an afterlife. Um, they had this belief that once you passed away here on Earth, that your spirit continued to live on in this other world. So, because of that, they took up this process of mummifying or preserving their bodies. So what that is pretty much just a fancy way of them trying to prevent their bodies from decaying. So they would often treat them with different preservatives, remove any vital organs, and wrap them and coat them in such a way that that moisture that your body has doesn't allow the body to decompose. So in addition to the actual mummification, there was also their burial practices, where they were going to bury their loved ones or their pharaohs with any possessions they thought they might need to take with them to this afterlife. So, obviously, the body. Okay, they mummified the body because they thought they were still going to have to use it in the next world. Your pharaohs, obviously, your pharaohs were these very wealthy, powerful individuals. So they wanted to take all of that wealth and power with them. So they were going to take their gold. A lot of them would even take clay servants, any type of material possessions that they enjoyed while they were alive, they would take with them. So we saw with King Tut, for example, all those different things that he was buried with are things that he owned or possessed while he was alive, and he wanted to take with him to the afterlife. So there's a lot that goes with this mummification and burial that we'll go over here the next couple days. In the meantime, there is a link posted on your classroom with this video, and then I will go ahead and show you a little small introductory video here in a second too. So with that link that I showed you in your Google Classroom that's attached with this video, it's going to take you through two different processes of mummification. It's going to show you what was involved with the actual embalming or the removing of the organs, and then what was involved with the actual wrapping, how the body was going to be wrapped for burial.